Now guys, after I think more than 4 weeks, I got the front fork in my shed, a brand new one, Yamaha, original, genuine. Let's see. Wow, guys. Sliding bushes have 3. Staples out. Don't want to scratch anything. Suppose it gets in. Wow, Yamaha, you did a nice job packing it. Oh. Okay. Wow, guys. Oh, this looks really good. This is the old one. Let's compare them. Yes, length is good. Okay, great. Then yes, left, yes. Whew. For a moment I thought, holy shit, it's the wrong one, but it isn't. I forgot to turn the camera on. On the bottom side I already got a sliding bush, and then we have a wide and a thin one, and the wide thinner one goes over here and falls in. Yes. Then we're gonna take this one. Wait a minute. This one out for a moment. Okay. Now guys, this one has to come. Push this all the way in. Then this one in. Just take a deep socket. This is one 21 mil. Okay, in like this. So to hold the inner work. Wait a minute. So out of the way. Then look over here. Yes, plop. So then don't forget a new copper washer. Put that in. Then I think it's this one. Maybe not. Yes, it's an Allen of. Let's have a look. This is an Allen key of, I don't know. Yes, over there. Then see, now it stays in. Actually, it's so easy, guys. Guys, see, it stays in there. And over there, I got one size fits all. This needs to be torqued with 35 Newton meters. I got my torque wrench over here. set it 35, and that's over there. Okay. Then like this. Then okay. Yes. Up. Oh, oops. So, then, park range out of the way. Out of the way. Then we have this bushing. Okay, slides in. Over here, I got this tool. It's 49 to 50 mil. Okay, over. Let's see. Let's see that now. See, guys, it's nicely all the way in. Then we have this one that goes on top. Okay, we have the oil seal. Guys, take a plastic bag, cut the bottom off, up, stuff out of the way. Then a bit of fork oil, up, give it an oiling here. So. Yes. And give it a smear on the inside. Now, over there you see the spring. There's a spring. And this is the top. So it needs to go on like this. Then take a plastic bag, put it over. Put that inside. And then carefully okay, now it's over. Here is the smooth side. Then oh, good. Yes. Already can push it a bit in, and now we're gonna take the tool again and we start to hammer it in. Sure, it goes in evenly. Yes, there we go. Nicely. Orange. Yes. If you look carefully, you see over there that slit. See? Nicely in place. Ta-da! The spring. Got a little screwdriver. Click. Click. Yes. Now, see, it's nicely in place. see, hopefully you can see it. The spring. Then we have the new dust cap. And slide it over. And, oh. Oh, oops. This. And tap it nicely in place. Hop, hop, hop. Yes. Okay. Now, let's move on. We need to pour in 720 ml. So that. Oh, wait a minute. Let's fill that baby up with oil. Hop. So, oops. Then pump it to get the bubbles out. This one also, I can feel it's sucking in the oil now. Yes. Oh. Up. So. Okay, open it all the way, and then this goes. See? Now it's the compression is fully open. Let's see the bubbles. Okay, then also have to guys, I made a mistake. First, drop the spring in, then the washer, then the spacer, and that's a bit gonna be a bit tricky because maybe I can hold it like this. Yes, there he is. Yes. Okay. Then the nut. So. Okay. This one. Okay. Then we take the top cap, screw it up, then ta-da, ta-da-da-da-da. Hop. Yes. Then up. Up. Yes. I think this is. Yes. Okay. Yes. Guys. When it's in the bike, we're gonna give it another snug. Hop. Now. Okay. Then we have this one. Let's see if it's clean. Okay. Yes, like this. There is. Ow. Click. Yes. So, guys, job done.